सिया के चौथे इस एडिशन में आप सभी का खैर मकदम इस्तकबाल और स्वागत करते हुए हम बहुत ही हर्ष महसूस कर रहे हैं। अब हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स को धन्यवाद देने का, आभार देने का समय है। जी हाँ साथियों, ये जो सिया 4 तक का सफ़र है, सिया 1 से लेकर के हम देख रहे हैं लगातार हमारे बीच में एक सौजन्य से आता है जो हैं BS Marshalls Foundation.
All respected dignitaries, dear participants and friends, it's a pleasure to be here today at SIA 4 as the president of Rotary Club of Bombay Worli.
देश के युवा निकल पड़े हैं, अद्भुत भारत देश बनाएंगे, हो हम है युवा।
I am blessed to be here this evening because here in this configuration we have the highest quantity and the highest quality of innovation in a small area.
एक बार जोरदार तालियों से आज के कार्यक्रम के कर्ता धर्ता डॉक्टर बलदेव कृष्ण शर्मा जी को हम आवाज देने जा रहे हैं। सर कृपया मंच पर आइए।
Innovations isn't about instant success, it's about persistence, curiosity and the willingness to fail. And the willingness to fail and fail loudly and fail proudly. Okay, this is one thing where you can fail and still be proud of it. It's about turning what if to why not. Once you put that question, why not, you are going to do something which an innovator, which would make you an innovator. And eventually you can ask yourself, how did we live without this?
Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, continuing with the spirit of nationalism, we present a spirited dance by the D.Y. Patil, deemed to be University School of Pharmacy.
ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया.
हाँ, आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि मंच पर आगमन करते हुए
चार पहलू हैं हमारे जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, एक अच्छा इंसान बनने के लिए। व्यक्ति, विचार, व्यवहार और संस्कार। हमारा 90% समय मैं युवा साथियों से कह रहा हूँ व्यक्तियों की चर्चा में लगता है। उसने ये कहा, उसने वो कहा, इसने ये किया, उसने वो किया। इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं, समय व्यर्थ हो रहा है। एक सीढ़ी ऊपर उठें और विचारों की बात करें।
डॉक्टर बलदेव कृष्ण शर्मा जी presenting a token of love and gratitude to Padma Shri Dr. Anil Gupta ji.
So now, ladies and gentlemen and dear students, we are moving closer to our awards. Let's see the beautiful and prestigious SIA 4 trophy on our screen.
The innovators, the future of India. It is said that we are celebrating here. Celebration of what the next idea for the future is there. But what you have done is, you have brought the future today. This is what Anil Gupta ji was telling.
On the stage, presenting a memento to Dr. Barve.
Chalo, now we are in the final leg of the SIA 4 Grand Innovations Award show. It's a celebration of the spirit of innovation in a grand style.
For presenting the first SIA Max Project Trophy,
Aruna Subhash Chandra Rathod Trophy. for maximum projects goes to, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, SVKM's Dr. Bhanuben, Nanavati College of Pharmacy, Vile Parle, Mumbai.
The first project category, which is the startup and the professionals. We share the videos of top 4 nominations. आपके सामने अभी 4 nominations आने वाले हैं and they are, जी हाँ साथियों, ये 4 nominations आपके सामने. This is going to be Krishna Kumar Sachdev Trophy and it is awarded to Rohit Shah and the collaborating team. The winners of this award are going to get the prize money of rupees 50,000 plus SIA's Innovation Trophy and Certificate of Excellence to all the collaborators. Pramila Devi and Rajaram Gupta Trophy, that is the winning trophy in this category, is awarded to Dr. Nilesh L. Jadhav for promoting innovations ecosystem. So moving ahead with the next category of award, it is going to be the second category. The second category is Engineering, IT, Polytechnic, AI, Robotics. जी हाँ साथियों, ये 4 nominations आपके सामने. So first, going ahead with the second runners-up trophy, that is the Chanda Devi Nandalal Sirsewala Trophy, is awarded to Siddhant Shah and the collaborating team on the project Sahara. Requesting, please come on the stage. Now it is time to announce the first runner-up, that is the second prize winner. First runner-up trophy, this is Chanda Devi Nandlal Siraslewala Trophy and this is awarded to Somesh Jitendra Mishra and the collaborating team. As I said, the institution also gets a trophy for promoting innovations ecosystem. The first prize goes to the Chanda Devi Nandalal Siraslewala Trophy, Dilkhush Zaroliwala and the collaborating team on the project Zinc Flora Eco-Friendly Battery. The mentors, the heads of the institution, ICT की ओर से कृपया मंच पर आ जाइएगा मोहतरमा. Thanks to all the collaborators, and as we can see, the institution also gets the trophy. And now moving ahead with the third project category, that is Pharma Biochemical Technology. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, and now we are going to announce the third prize. I mean the second runners-up trophy is known as Anil Keval Krishna Prabhakar Trophy. And it is awarded to Yaneshwar Rajendra Bembade and the collaborating team. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner gets the prize money of rupees 25,000 in this category and SIA Innovation Trophy plus Certificate of Excellence to all the collaborators. The institution also gets the trophy. So this is first runner-up announcement now for the KRK Menon Trophy and it is awarded to Manigandan Thevar and the collaborating team. So let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this first runner-up award carries a prize money of rupees 50,000, SIA Innovation Trophy and Excellence Certificate to all the collaborators. So in the same category, that is Pharma Biochemical Technology, now it is time to announce the first prize, the winner. The winner under this category is Tanvi Lakshman Ravul and the collaborating team. Ladies and gentlemen, this first prize carries the prize money of rupees 1 lakh, the SIA Innovation Trophy and the Certificate of Excellence to all the collaborators. The institution also gets the trophy. फूल बनकर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी है, मुस्कुराकर गम भुलाना जिंदगी है और जीत कर तुम खुश हुए तो क्या हुए, हार कर खुशियां मनाना जिंदगी है कि नहीं?
So with this, as we come to the tail end of CR4 Innovation Award, let's with great zeal and enthusiasm flag in the beginning of CR5, which is going to take place at February 2026. 1 year from now, we will have the CR5 Innovation Award.